Hey there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Coco from Dandy. So first we're going to get started by drawing in the head. And we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval, just making the head a little bit wider. Now that we've completed our oval, we're going to come over and draw in the eyes. So on both sides, we're going to draw another oval on a slight diagonal. Leaving a gap, replicating that on the right. Now moving in towards the inside corner, we're going to replicate that, just making that smaller. And now let's draw in some eyelashes. So we're going to draw in two curved lines as we come down on both eyes. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a heart. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down at a point. And then we'll start back in the center, moving over on the right and replicating that. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line arching down for the corner of the mouth. And now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then again from the center, just arching this line back, around, and then up. Let's move down now. We're going to curve this line out and then in towards the middle. And then replicating that on the right hand side, joining that in the center. Now let's draw in our hands. So coming down on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Now on the inside, drawing in two curved lines, arching those out towards the side of the page. On the top, we're going to draw in a small curved line, curving that in towards the center. And now closing off the rest of the arm, coming in towards the middle, let's curve this line around and then in on the side. Coming underneath for the stomach now, we're going to arch this line around and then up on the right. For the legs, from the center, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Now from here for the feet, coming over on the inside, we're going to curve this line back down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then now closing off the foot, let's arch this line around and then back in. Now from that corner, let's curve this line up towards the top of our leg. Moving up, let's draw in the tiara now. So in the center, coming over on the side, we're going to draw a diagonal line. We'll do the same on the right. And now we're going to close this off with a nice big arch line from left to right. We're going to move out on the side now, curving this line down on both sides. And then where that ends, we're just going to draw another diagonal line that comes in. Again, one more time, curving this line over and across. And then again, just bringing that line in on the side. Now let's draw in our ears. So we're going to start from the middle. We're going to curve this line up and then down. We're going to end that at roughly the same height on both sides. Now from here, we're going to dip our line in. So we're going to start back on this line, curving this in slightly, bringing that out and arching that all the way in towards the side of our leg. And then now moving back inside the ear, we're just going to replicate that shape. So we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then again, moving in, curving this line out, back in. And then lastly, on the feet, we're just going to curve 2 lines that come in towards the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Coco from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.